Hey everyone, it is October. It is the month of trick or treat. And lucky for you, we only have treats. So let's get started on new products. And as always, we're going to start off with Paragon Performance products, and the first one we are releasing this month is Z06 lowering springs. This is a set of 4 springs, 2 for the front, 2 for the rear. It's going to lower the car an extra inch. It's also 30% stiffer than a standard Z06 and 25% stiffer than a Z07 suspension spring. The other thing that this is going to allow you, so if you have your 3/4 lowering kit for the front, and then you've lowered down the coils in the rear, you're gonna get close to 2 inches total. And that's like our white car here with the gold wheels. This has been lowered to 2 inches fully. It looks great. There's no rubbing, and we're running some wider tires with a bigger offset wheel. So if you wanna lower your Z06, you wanna make sure you get on that list. We've got 200 sets coming mid-November, and they're gonna go fast. So hop on the pre-order, get your set reserved now. Speaking of lowering Z06s, we have gone ahead and redesigned our lowering collars for the Z06. The only change we've really made to this is we've stopped anodizing them black, anodized up on the area that's covered by the strut, just for a little stealthier look. And then we've shortened the collar on the bottom, decreased the thickness of it to help clear all those boogery welds that come on the shock from GM with the Z06. Not a major change, but this is gonna give you guys that had weird welds on the bottom of your shock the ability to lower it the full 3/4 of an inch. Next up, I'm gonna be a broken record. We got Z06 oil caps. Now, in the past, we've had these for the Stingray with a Corvette flag or the Paragon logo. Now we have them for the Z06 with a Corvette flag and Paragon logo. And as we all know, the difference between the Z06 and Stingray is the oil weight that's engraved on there. So the Z06 ones have oil weight specifically for the Z06. And those caps are gonna be available in red, black, or blue. And as we move away from Z06, we're still sticking with Paragon Performance, and what we have for the Stingray is a Z06 rear bumper conversion. So we didn't get totally away from Z06, but we're here back to the Stingray car. And what this Z06 rear conversion is gonna get you, it's gonna get you that center outlet painted in OEM carbon flash. It is an actual OEM GM part that we have sourced. It's gonna have all the things you need to install. And then it comes with our center exit exhaust. So as you pull your stock exhaust off or your boiler or whatever, you wanna go center, we've got you covered with our center exit and the center conversion to give your car a Z06 look from the rear. Moving on, we have another item for Stingray owners, and it's gonna fall along the lines of what I just talked about, a Z06 front bumper conversion this time for the Stingray car. This comes to us from Auto Addicts, and it comes as a complete unpainted kit. You're gonna get a bumper, the grille bezels, a front lip, and canards all in one box to take down to the body shop, get painted how you'd like, and get thrown on your car to give your Stingray a Z06 look without breaking the bank and buying a Z06. Moving along, we have Verus Engineering. This month is a carbon flash rear diffuser. We've talked about it in the past. It was full carbon fiber. A lot of you reached out, was asking, hey, is this ever gonna be made in carbon flash? So we took that, we had it replicated in a fiberglass, and then we worked with a local body shop to get that painted in carbon flash for you. These are gonna be in limited quantities for a while as they start to get painted, but they are coming. Hop on the website, grab one now. I think we have 5 of them available with more coming down the line. Moving on to our favorite stick-on brand, we have CCS. We have a bunch of carbon items from them. They're basically the same thing as carbon fiber, but they are now available in red. The first one of those being the Waterfall that's right to your right behind you. That has been available in carbon fiber. Now we have it in red carbon fiber. From there on, we have the parking brake cover, which is now also available in red. So if you're looking to spice up things in your interior with the flash of color, that's gonna do it for you. Moving down to the transmission area, we have the mode selector trim in red as well. And then the last one is the center glove box console cover. Again, this is gonna snap over that center console that you usually rest your arm on. We had it in carbon fiber, now have it in red carbon fiber. Heading back to the Z06, we have some new rotors from GiroDisc. These are gonna be replacements for you guys that got the cars without carbon ceramics, because as you know, the Z06 comes with just a blank rotor. So these GiroDiscs are gonna be a two-piece design with slots in them to help remove those gases if you're tracking your car, or if you just want it to look like it actually cost $140,000. Continuing on the Z06 train again, we're moving to the back with exhaust from Corsa. They have two versions out. Both of them have the NPP valves in them, but the two versions, one has a muffler and one does not have a muffler. So if you want to get super rowdy, grab the non-muffler one and wake those neighbors up every morning on your way to work. And lastly, Paragon Performance has become a licensed dealer for Lingenfelter. That means we can do installs for that Magnuson Supercharger, which is gonna fit a coupe and convertible. And right now, on our first 2 installs, if you ship your car to us and get that done, we're gonna give you $500 credit to different products outside that range. So if you're looking for Paragon items or an exhaust or something you wanna add with that Supercharger install, give us a shout, hit us up on the support email, and we'll get you booked for this winter. It's a great time to get those things done over the winter so your car's ready for the spring. That's it for October. All the treats have been given out. We're gonna close this down, and I'll see you in Bender November. Oh yeah, we got black t-shirts too.
That's it.
That was pretty good. As always,
Sorry.
but the watermelon is coming to Stingray. What, Dad? Ah! Wait, no, wait, this isn't a Z06 product.
Stingray product.
No, look at that.
Wait a second.
Yeah, I'll do it again. I'll do it again.
Quick human.
Yeah, I'll do it again. Did I say wing?
I was gonna cut you off. I wanted you to roll with it, so you.
We have several carbo. So if you came, heading back, geez Louise, yell at people.